Good morning, everyone. I feel so humbled to talk to you today because, well, what a year it's been. But it's been a year where you, everyone in this virtual room, have never been more valuable. The strategy, the advice and counsel I've seen you provide has helped so many small businesses who have been suffering. You've helped small businesses pivot their business models and keep trading. You've worked with them to organize their finances and find ways to get access to capital and keeping them afloat. You've been doing it in evenings, at weekends, because the demand has never been so high. And in doing that, you've protected livelihoods. You've helped small businesses survive, and you've made an amazing contribution to the resilience and courage that small businesses have dug deep for, like never before. You know, one story, there's a chocolate shop that I spoke to in Dorset. When lockdown 1 started, they suddenly had no customers and only had limited cash reserves. With the help of their accountant, they set up a website and started delivering chocolates to their local community. But what was really cool about this story was that they used that time to review their business model. And with the accountant, they soon found that purchasing and selling wholesale chocolates didn't even make half the profits of their cake making business. So now that chocolates are going to plug the gap in lockdown, cakes are going to be their future. Just an amazing story. And how's that for pivoting a business? So that's just one example of many. So a huge thank you. Thank you for everything you do to help small business. Protecting them is the backbone of our economy. So I've met a few of you before, but for those that don't know me, I lead a team of people focused entirely on accounting and bookkeeping professionals like you. I've also seen this team do amazing things this year. Even with all the challenges we faced inside and outside of work, they have been 100% dedicated to solving accountant and bookkeeper customer problems and continuing to deliver value. That's because we know if we deliver value to you, you can and will deliver that value to your clients. And even if the future is uncertain, what I am certain about is that we will continue to do this. Everything we do is focused on helping you support your clients better through our technology. So today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things. Firstly, what are we seeing in the accounting professional landscape? Then I'd like to talk to you about how we can help you grow and scale your practice. And finally, how we believe we can help you deliver to the millions of small businesses that need your help. So let's dig in and take a look at the accounting professional landscape. Firstly, your workload, it's doubled, it's tripled, it's quadrupled. Now, you've been trying to interpret government schemes, the coronavirus job retention scheme, the coronavirus business interruption loan, self-employment income, support schemes, bounce back loans. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You've had to look after and worry about your clients' businesses. You've dealt with an influx of new asks for support. And at the same time, you've had to manage your own business. You've had to advise on the most difficult of circumstances. When to furlough employees, when to make redundancies, and unfortunately, when the time has come to close business. We've talked about it at every QuickBooks Connect that I can remember. But this year, you truly became the valued advisor to your clients. So what else have we seen this year? Well, we've seen businesses press forward on digital adoption by 5 years. They've had to. You know, take all of our days, even my day today. I started fitness this morning online, although I should have done more than I did do. Then I set my children up for their homeschooling, although I did struggle and help my eldest with his algebra test. But whether it's home life, but think about business. Your clients went digital. 60% of small businesses in the UK adopted new digital tools. And because of this, we've seen small businesses pivot into new and exciting areas of innovation and technology. We've seen the growth of the gig economy in self-employed, and new businesses rose by 85,000 to nearly 690,000 in 2020. That is a 12% year-on-year increase in new businesses. But The business has changed and business is embracing technology and cloud more than ever. And QuickBooks is here to help you harness this move to digital. We're here to help you use it to grow your practice and scale your impact. So let us start with how we help you to grow. Your growth is important to us here at Intuit because we know that when small business owners work with an accountant or a bookkeeper, they're more financially stable, they're more creditworthy, and they're more than 2 times likely to succeed. Now, our mission is to help small businesses prosper, and connecting them to you through digital is one of the major ways we do this. One way we help you grow your practice with digital is through our ProAdvisor Programme. Now, this is a world-class training and education program that empowers and recognizes and supports you and your practice. And since the beginning of 2020, over 70,000 accounting professionals have taken part in over 600 live virtual training sessions across the globe. We've helped 200,000 students further their education through our on-demand self-paced training across the world. And we also have one of the world's largest matchmaking platform for accounting professionals and people searching for an advisor. We call it the Find a ProAdvisor. I heard from one of our partners in the South Coast. They've received more than 5 new clients per month with annual fees in excess of £15,000 per client. I mean, these are a few experiences of many to help you and your teams grow your digital skill set and get new clients. So through this investment in the ProAdvisor Programme and our advocacy for small business to work with accountants, we've increased the number of small businesses that work with accountants to 3 out of 5 in our ecosystem. Now, I love seeing the impact of our ProAdvisor Programme. I love our ProAdvisors, and I'm so delighted that we've made updates to the program, and I think you will all love them. So firstly, you can now get recognized for your payroll customers. Secondly, we've given you new tools in the My Marketing portal to help you with new campaigns. The tools available in the Marketing Hub cover every aspect to reach new clients and help maximize their benefits with QuickBooks and marketing tools. And all of this is ready-made for you. Whether it be a website to support you maximizing your firm's brand, or through a mobile app experience, the My Marketing portal has all that you need. So for more information, please do contact your account manager and click within QuickBooks Online Accountant on the ProAdvisor tab. We will always keep iterating the program to make it better for you. So please keep giving us the feedback as we work to make the program as valuable for you as possible. Now, I want to touch on another innovation that we built for you to help save time and focus on the higher value work. We know you spend hours with new clients to onboard them to QuickBooks, and as a result, we've launched Assisted Onboarding. And this is a free 90-minute onboarding session for your firm's clients, and it's available now through QBOA. It's focused for new clients who are either yet to use QuickBooks, as well as your existing clients that maybe aren't getting the full benefit as yet from QuickBooks. It's a hands-on, do-it-with-me session. So we run it through Zoom. There's opportunities for your clients to ask questions throughout, and we cover the likes of how to set up the company, the advanced settings, connecting those bank feeds, setting up customers and suppliers, setting up the invoice and payments, and looking at the receipt capture and expense capability on the mobile app. So with QuickBooks picking up the work in onboarding your clients, we'll save you 2 to 3 hours per client. And that means you will be able to focus on providing that quality advice and not using your time to enter things manually that could be automated. As with all of our drop-in sessions, which are open to all small businesses, we can also run bespoke onboarding sessions for you, our partners. Now, they can be totally customized to your requirements. And if you like the sound of this, you can get the details on these bespoke sessions from your account manager. Even now, just log in to QuickBooks Online Accountant and you'll see the tile pop up to start these assisted onboarding sessions. Now, I want to move on to another way we've helped you grow your practice, and that's with our new self-assessment innovation. Now, many of you will be making a big sigh of relief with finishing self-assessment for your clients, but as I mentioned earlier, with the rise in self-employed, freelancers and the gig economy workers, there is more demand than ever for real-time tax estimates and easy tax completion. QuickBooks Income Tax Estimates makes it easy for you to prepare self-assessment filings with automated breakdowns of earnings and tax-deductible expenses. This is another benefit for your clients, and we know how much income tax that they owe throughout the year, so there are no surprises come tax time, allowing you to focus on advising versus what could be seen as delivering bad news. The tool also automates admin such as expenses with receipt capture and mileage tracking, which we know you love because you won't have to do all the manual work and chase your clients. We also built the tool to help customers who operate on an accrual basis, people who have multiple tax needs like self-assessment, VAT, and CIS. So we love how this will help make self-assessment so much easier for you. So let me show you. In the Taxes tab on the left, that provides a detailed breakdown of how it's made up. That breakdown covers income tax and national insurance contributions. We also outline the allowable expenses, helping you and your clients proactively in the preparation and management of self-assessment. And then there's a breakdown of the net profit. That's on business with the allowable business expenses deducted. I'm so excited to share this innovation. It's intended to help you reduce, even eliminate the extensive hours you need to spend, in particular in the January self-assessment rush. Now let's talk about how we're helping you scale your impact. As I mentioned earlier, the key to building products that you love is that we learn from you. And to observe the way we operate and to listen to your stories, we do, through focus groups, what we call follow me homes. Now, not literally follow you homes, and especially in this climate, we observe you in a virtual, online way. In other words, observing how you interact with our products, how you interact with your process and ways of working. And we do this across all of our teams, and we call this customer obsession. In a few of these collaborative moments, we found that your process to tidy up your clients' books can be so varied. In those observations, many of you asked, well, what are other accountants doing? You want to learn best practice. You want to pressure test your own process, pressure test whether it's thorough, whether it's fast, and whether there are steps that you're missing or features that you should be using. The need for a process optimized for efficiency and accuracy only increases as you have a team working with you and your clients. So after observing dozens of accounting and bookkeeping professionals, we came away to work on a new innovation for you. We combined best-in-class methodology with the power of QuickBooks and our error and anomaly detection automation. We wrapped this together and we called it Month-End Review. This is the first ever end-to-end workflow built inside accounting software specifically for experts like you to clean up your clients' books each month. Now, interestingly, during our beta phase, we looked at the accuracy of clients' books for those who would use this experience versus those that didn't. And we saw a massive 5 times fewer errors. That's 5 times fewer errors. To share a story of a firm in the Northeast, a place that's close to my heart, that firm is scaling fast, but with time constraint with many of their clients fixing errors. Now they've moved away from that to spending that wasted time on finding ways to help develop their client's business versus fixing. This tool is even more important today than it was yesterday with so many draws on your time. Every minute, every hour we give back to you by increasing your efficiency and accuracy, you can spend with your clients, your prospects, with your team, and with your family. So let's take a look. Month-End Review. It's a first-of-its-kind workflow. It combines best-in-class monthly bookkeeping process with artificial intelligence that detects and surfaces errors for you. And it's all built on our expert platform. And this tracks your progress as you work. It breaks out transactions that you need to review with easy and fast ways to categorize and fix. In identifying accounts to be reconciled, it provides one view to review and address all of those connected bank accounts. This is truly the power of an AI-driven expert platform coming to life. Just think of how much scale you will get through this experience. And a final innovation I'd like to share with you is Workpapers, which is in beta at the moment. Now, Workpapers helps you get end-of-year accounts faster and manage record keeping in one place. You can work directly in your client's book without using any extra tools. There's no need to export, and you're only one click away from your workflow. This is a huge efficiency gain. It will reduce manual entry because you can make multiple adjustments at once. And finally, your progress is automatically saved and backed up so your numbers are preserved whilst working in the client's file. So to return to the 3 themes at the beginning. Today we've looked at the accounting professional landscape and we found there's so much opportunity. I've shown you how we help you grow your practice with industry-leading ProAdvisor Programme designed to grow your skills and your client base. How we can help you with assisted onboarding for your clients within QuickBooks Online Accountant. I've also shown how we help you scale your impact by reducing your time investment to clean up books through month-end review. Again, a first of its kind workflow combining best-in-class monthly bookkeeping process with artificial intelligence to detect and surface errors for you, built on our expert platform. And I want to close by telling you that there's never been a time that we've invested more in our partnership with accounting professionals than we do today. We share a mission to help small businesses prosper. The work we do for you is in service to that mission, and it's our honor to partner with you as we do this together. With all that's going on around us, I am so inspired by this community who've shown resilience and courage to create a new way of working, all in service of helping your clients survive, grow, and flourish. And it's not over, so let's keep pushing, relying on digital, and usher in this future for the profession that we've been envisioning for such a long time. It goes without saying that I hope to see you in person at next year's QuickBooks Connect, but in the meantime, thank you for joining me today and for consistently being such amazing partners as together we power the prosperity of the many. Thank you.